What is up, you guys? I'm going to do a quick bike check. Nothing's really new on my bike, but I'm going to get out and ride it today. I haven't ridden hardly at all, but I haven't had any new parts all year. So basically my bike now, I'm still rocking the Tree Fat Ergo, S&M Long Johnson seat post, Haro Lineage seat clamp. I've got a Maxxis grifter on the rear tire, rocking a Odyssey chrome hazard light with the Alienation Venus free coaster, which I love. This is a great wheel setup here. I'm rocking the Haro Lineage sprocket Colt Crew cranks. I think these are 165mm reflex moto pedals. I still rock die comp Hombres. I've always had success with die tech or die comp, so I've got the 19.5 or the 2021 19.5 Ground Master. I've restickered this a couple times, so right now I just have these Haro Master stickers on. I've got my neoprene homemade mouse pad knee protector on the Haro Lineage stem. Martin OG bars, custom. 12 degree or 11 degrees back sweep, 4 degrees up sweep, 27.5. I'm rocking the Sunday Jake Seeley grips. I absolutely love these grips, my favorite grips. Tech 77. I like the locking levers. Got a pan eraser on the front. Rocking the 8990 Haro Lineage front 36 hole on just a regular SATA. And I gotta say, this rim will spin for hours. I mean, it's one of the best rolling wheels I've ever had. And these pegs are, what are they, like Xfinity or Infinity pegs? They're pretty heavy, but they've got super knurling, so I've been rocking these. So yeah, nothing new. I haven't been riding. This will be the third time I've ridden all year, including Buckeye Bike Show. So anyway. What's up, everybody? I'm back. Well, I turned 53 in August, and this is probably my first session since my birthday. I went to Buckeye Bike Show. Since Buckeye, I haven't ridden at all. I've just been knee-deep in my car, work, and just not that motivated to ride. I will say I've met a couple guys live locally. Well, online, I've talked to a couple guys that may want to get together, so that's pretty cool. Positive news, maybe get a small scene in Knoxville, keep us motivated. But anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna basically just try to practice riding backwards, rolling backwards. That's kind of where I left off. Maybe try a few tricks in between, so nothing special to watch. Maybe you guys can stop watching here because it's gonna be the same old shit. But yeah, I'm doing good, hanging in there, and yeah, still riding. I know I get on YouTube, there's not that many people making videos, and I think the scene is definitely fading, but I could talk more about that. I may make a video just talking about the BMX scene and how it's changed over the changes. And I've ridden, you know, both waves. I rode the wave in the 80s, and I rode this, you know, kind of Lineage rebirth wave, and I think it's kind of, you know, the wave is kind of crashing down. But let's ride for a few minutes. dang, maybe taking time away is best. No, I feel like I'm definitely rolling so much further backwards now that my buddy, or I don't know, this guy told me just to lift your back wheel a little bit when you're getting swirly, and that totally was a game changer for me. I mean, it doesn't look pretty, but it's keeping me on the bike, so I'm getting pretty consistent with it. I mean, it's not a trick, but it's bike control. Alright guys, that's about all I got. Thanks for watching. Hope everybody's doing awesome. I definitely hope to put some more stuff, more BMX stuff up. And I'm probably going to paint this chrome black. I don't really like chrome bikes, I don't know what it is. Alright, peace out.